हेलो एवरीवन, सो टुडे विल टॉक अबाउट लिंक लिस्ट। सो लिंक लिस्ट में होता क्या है कि हमारे जो एलिमेंट्स हैं दे आर नॉट स्टोर्ड इन कॉन्टिग्यूअस लोकेशंस। तो एरे में क्या होता है कि दे आर स्टोर्ड इन कॉन्टिग्यूअस लोकेशन एंड वी कैन जस्ट पॉइंट टू दैट स्पेसिफिक इंडेक्स एंड देन वी गेट द एलिमेंट। बट हाउएवर इन लिंक लिस्ट दिस एलिमेंट एंड दिस एलिमेंट कैन बी प्लेस्ड एनीवेयर इन द मेमोरी। तो अगर हम पे ये एलिमेंट है तो और हमें दूसरा एलिमेंट एक्सेस करना है, सो वी कैन नॉट एक्सेस इट डायरेक्टली, सो वी नीड टू हैव अ पॉइंटर। तो जब जो भी एक एलिमेंट होता है लिंक लिस्ट का, उसमें खुद की वैल्यू होती है दिस वैल्यू, एंड उसके पास एक पॉइंटर होता है जो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट को पॉइंट कर रहा होता है। तो इसमें दिस विल पॉइंट टू दिस एंड सिमिलरली दिस विल पॉइंट टू दिस। तो दिस इज अ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर इन विच हर एलिमेंट पे एक रेफरेंस होता है दूसरे उसके नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट का। सो हाउ टू ट्रैवर्स अ लिंक लिस्ट? सो आवर हेड नोज दिस पोजिशन करंटली। तो हेड को जब हेड नोज दिस पोजिशन एंड दिस एलिमेंट नोज द पोजिशन ऑफ दिस, सो वी कैन यूज दिस पोजिशन टू गो टू दिस एलिमेंट एंड देन दिस पोजिशन टू गो टू दिस एलिमेंट एंड दिस पोजिशन टू गो टू दिस एलिमेंट. So to traverse the whole linked list, so we have to go through, it will take big of n time. And to find a particular element, like we have to find 3 or 2 or 1, so we have to traverse through all of the linked list, so that would also take big of n time. Is such. अब सपोज हमें इंसर्ट करना है एलिमेंट, सो इंसर्ट हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? हेड हमारा इसको पॉइंट कर रहा है. Now whenever we want to bring up new element, we'll bring up this and make this point to this and head will point to this. So this will be order of one time. We don't have to traverse the linked list all over again. So insert is big of n. And delete would be now suppose we want to delete 3. So for deleting 3, again we don't know the position of 3, so we will have to traverse this, then this, then this, then this. So it will also take big of n time. So this was linked list. Now we'll look at the problems which are associated with a linked list. So one of the problems is how can we reverse the linked list? So to reverse the linked list, we can do this. We'll have 3 pointers. Current would be the current element, and the next element we know the location of the next element using this, and previous is null. So previous is null and next is currently set to null. So our next element would be this one, current dot next, and our previous element. Now we need to switch the routes here like this, so it should be null. So we can directly say current dot next is equal to previous, and previous is currently set to null, so this would point to null. Now current dot previous, current dot next, current dot next, so this should point to null. Now previous is equal to current, so now previous becomes this and current becomes this. So previous is this now and this link is broken. Now what we do, we will come again to this element, next becomes current dot next, so next becomes this, current dot next is equal to previous, so this dot next would be this, previous is equal to current, so this becomes previous now and this becomes current now, and then it would go again, and similarly this would be broken and it would be this. And once we get this position and once we reach here, we can just return this element. So at the end our current would point to null and our previous would be the last element, so we can just return previous and this would become the head of the linked list. Now we are returning the head which is previous, and when we can traverse the list in the reverse order using this previous. Now the second problem is we have to find if the linked list is circular or not. So a linked list is circular or it contains a cycle if we have this, if anywhere in the list, we are having an element that is pointing to previous element. So one of the way to approach this problem is we can store all the reference variables, all the locations, and wherever we find that this location is already present, then we can say that we have got a cycle. Using hash map we can do this, but but it's using constant big of n space. We don't want to do that. So how we can skip is, we'll take 2 pointers. We'll move one pointer by 1 distance and the second pointer by 2 distance. So this is the first pointer. It would go like this, 1 1 1, and this is our second pointer. So it will go in twice, double the speed of the first pointer. So this would be 2, then it would be here, then it would be here, then it would be here. So if there is a cycle, then at one time these both pointers will collide. So we can say this. Suppose our first pointer was at this and our second pointer was at this. If both the pointers are at the same location, then we know that we have to reach a point where both the pointers are at the same location. Now suppose our this head pointer is at this one. So currently our head pointer is at this, and we also set our next pointer to this. Now it goes at double the speed. So it will reach here, our head will be here. It will reach here, our head will be here. It will reach here, our head will be here. It will reach here, our 2 will be here. Then it will reach here, our 2 will be here. It will reach here, then our 2 will come. So they both will collide here, and then we have and if both of them collide, then we can say that we have got a cycle. And if they don't collide and both of them reach the end, so we can say we don't have a cycle. So the point is, take 2 pointers, move one of the pointer by unit 1 and move the other pointer by unit 2. We can say like head dot next to increase the pointer second by unit 2.